I know y'all want to see me eat these snails, and I'm gonna eat one or two of them. I gotta wrap my mind around eating this. A little bit of dipping sauce right here. It's hot and spicy too. Salutations, chefs. We in the kitchen again. Okay, so today I'm doing escargot and stuffed crabs. Alright, check it out. Some people call them snails. Y'all can call them snails, it's okay. But anyway, they're stuffed with butter and some herbs and spices. Don't really have a smell to them, but anyway, we're gonna try these out today. Got 6 of them. Never tried snails before. Never in my life have I tried snails. But I didn't want to eat the snails alone. I didn't want to eat them by themselves because I never had them. I want to be able to, just in case I don't like them, I wanted to try something that I actually like. So I got some stuffed crabs to go along with them, okay? And these came from your local grocery, people. All right, I got 6 crabs. And I got 6 snails. Or escargot. Whatever floats your boat, buy, mean, coke, choke, or go. It don't even matter. Take a look at that. Okay, we're going in the oven at 350 degrees. And I got some french fries and a garden salad to go along with it. Okay, chefs, here we are. I got sweet potato pie. I got a side salad. Lemonade, of course. We got french fries. We got stuffed crabs. And guess what? We're going to be trying out some escargot today. Some snails. I don't know if I'm ready. I'm about to try one of these snails. I ain't scared. Look at that. See how easy that snail came out of there? Look at that butter coming off of it. See that? That's the snail, people. Shake a little bit of that off. We're going in. Wait a minute. Okay. Taste the butter, you taste the garlic. It's meaty. It's not overcooked. It's a cross between a clam
and a snail.
It tastes just like whatever you thought a snail tastes like, that's what it tastes like. But it's not bad though. Let's get another one, just to make sure. Let me see. It's not bad at all. I'm serious. I came prepared just in case I couldn't get in there and get it. Roll it out of there like that. Look at that. See how it just came out? That's a snail, people. And you don't overcook it. It only takes like maybe 10 to 11, 8 to 10 minutes to cook. Season it however you're going to season it. Okay? And then eat it. That is literally a snail. And I can't believe I'm eating it. Let's get a little bit of that off. You want to see how it looks on the inside? This is a snail, people. Look at that. It's not bad. Really, honestly, it's really not bad. I'm gonna put a little bit of lemon in there on it. A little bit on the crab. I tell you what, these snails, you gotta get used to eating this. You gotta develop a taste for snails. You hear me? Look at that shell. It's a hard shell. And they're rather cute. And this is the snail. going into the hot sauce. Look at that. Like I said, it's not that bad. It's really not that bad. You will have to develop a taste for that. It has a very peculiar taste though.
Like a snail.
It tastes just like a snail. Stuffed crabs. I love stuffed crabs. Some people like soft shell crabs. Some people like crab legs. You know, king crab and all that. A little bit of dipping sauce right here. It's hot and spicy too. Let's see what we got. Y'all see that? Oh, he's dropping something. Wait a minute. Yeah. It's spicy, but it's good. Wait a minute. That sauce is banging. I don't know what's in it. All I know is hot. I don't even remember where I got it from. I didn't make it. I know y'all waiting for me to hit that pie, right? This is homemade deep dish sweet potato pie. I made it myself. See that? Baked potatoes, not canned potatoes, and I didn't boil it. I baked it. Wait a minute. And as always, people, subscribe to this channel, smash that like button, leave a comment below so we know what you're thinking, and share this video with your friends so they can enjoy some of this good food too.